In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new WordPress widget section. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add widgets to your site with ease. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. On the homepage, click the login button at the top right. The fastest way is continue with Google, so you don't have to remember another password. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the right panel, under Quick Links, click Edit Site. This takes you straight into the editor where all the customization happens. Now click your website's title to open the editing space. To add a widget, click the plus icon in the middle of the screen. Here you can search for a widget by name, and WordPress will filter the results instantly. If you'd rather explore, click the Add button at the top left. This opens the widget library where you can browse everything from social media tools and multimedia features to analytics widgets. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate the new widget section and add the tools you need to make your site stand out. If this video helped, remember to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips.